In this video, we're going to learn tips that will help you maximize the number of points you earn for Quiz 1 in Module 4. So we're not going to go through every question, we're just going to go over questions that people tend to struggle with. So let's look at number 4. Number 4 actually has two questions. Could the number 0000 appear in a table of random digits? So first answer that question, yes or no. Okay. And then either if you answered no, the second part you can just write not applicable. But if yes, how likely is it, and find that probability. For number 5, I think it's really easy if you just type all these data into StatCrunch. It's only 18 data points. If you just open up a new StatCrunch window, okay, and then the first variable column, just put these numbers in, double check that you've got them correct, and then just do a stem and leaf plot or a box plot under the graph category. Okay. Now make sure you then describe the distribution. So there needs to be at least a sentence that describes what's going on. Okay. You could talk about it being symmetric, you could talk about the data being skewed, you could talk about outliers, anything that's interesting about the data. Now let's look at number 7. Okay. Basically, you need to calculate both the mean and standard deviation for only these 3 data points. It's only 3 data points, so you can either do that by hand or again, type those 3 numbers into a column in StatCrunch under one variable and do your summary statistics. Find the mean and standard deviation and then just write them below. Okay. So number 8, in a lottery, a person must select 5 numbers from a total of 40. Tracy has chosen 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Jamie has chosen 39, 17, 37, 5, 28. Now really focus on what the question is asking. It's only asking who has a greater chance of winning. Your choices are Jamie has a greater chance, Tracy has a greater chance, or they have an equal chance. It does not ask you the probability each has of winning. You're welcome to do that, but if you do that and find the wrong probability, you're going to lose points because you're giving wrong information and they need to be able to convey to you in a meaningful way that you've got the probability wrong. Okay. So unless you're 100% sure what the probability is, I would just answer the question. I mean, you can find out the probability on your own to answer that question, or just use some other knowledge, but just focus on what the question's actually asking. And number 9, most students get that one. Okay, thanks for listening to tips that will help you maximize the points you earn for Quiz 4.